Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Mohammed Ismail Khan. He was born in August 1884 in Meerut. After completing his early schooling in India, he moved to England at the age of 12. He completed his university studies at St. John's College, Cambridge, and then became a barrister and was called to the Inner Temple. He started his practice in Allahabad High Court as an assistant lawyer of Motilal Nehru. He was elected to Central Legislative Assembly in 1923 from the United Provinces. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from United Provinces as a member of Muslim League. He mainly spoke about the separate electorates for Indian Muslims in the Constituent Assembly and on the issue of minority problems. I'll just give the glimpse of what he said regarding this. 25th of May 1949, quote, "Sir, before you call upon the movers of the amendment to move their motion, may I know whether the whole question as to how the minorities are to be represented in legislature is open to discussion or merely the revision of a previous report on the subject of reservation of seats provided for the minorities." We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.